Introducing Utelite Soil Builder Max, the ultimate all-in-one soil building compost. Utelite Soil Builder Max is a nutrient-rich compost that improves soil structure, replenishes essential nutrients, and provides important food for soil organisms. Additionally, it contains soil-enhancing humate, beneficial mycorrhizae, and Utelite clay-busting granules to ready your soil for planting. Soil Builder Max is available in easy-to-handle 1 cubic foot bags. Get your soil ready with the ultimate all-in-one soil building compost. It's perfect for gardens, flower beds, lawns, trees, and so much more. Available at your favorite nursery, garden center, or home improvement store. For more information, visit soilbuildermax.com.